Hi guys, this is Diane here, Millionaire Mom. Now I've promised to bring you things that I believe in that can help you earn money online. Have you heard of crowdfunding, and is it a scam or not? Now let's find out what it is first of all. What is crowdfunding? The definition of crowdfunding is the practice of funding a project or venture by raising money from a large number of people who each contribute a relatively small amount, typically via the internet. Now, I've discovered one because a lot of them actually say you're going to be put on a rotator. We can guarantee you to earn X, Y, or Z amount of money, and it doesn't happen, and you lose your money. Who's been there before? Me too. I've found one that actually does what it says on the tin. There's a group of people and it's called Crowdfunding Guaranteed, right? And they help people realise their dreams. Now it's in pre-launch and it's not out until January the 7th. So 300 people in 2 weeks have joined. It's only a one-off payment of $29. That's about 25 quid if you're in England. And the thing is, fully automated. Look, fully automated. You can actually set it on automatic so that when you get to level 2, you don't have to even press the button. It's as simple as that. Now, if you charities, hospitals and churches are jumping on the bandwagon. If you're an individual at home, a mom, a dad at home with small children, you need to mend the car, you need a new car, you've got an old child, you want to pay for uni for your children, you want a new holiday in the Caribbean, you want to go on a cruise, you want a new house, anything at all that you want to build, make money, you want the money for. It's so exciting because what is crowdfunding? It's a lot of people putting a little bit in. Now I've put this bit on at the end because I spoke to, I think her name was Jenny yesterday. She was amazing. She was telling me this story that she knew this Canadian called Tommy Fraser, and something about, oh I don't know, he was a drugs, gangs, cartel, whatever, 10 years in jail. He came out and he's actually gone to the top in one of the MLM companies, and he's joined this, and she's his friend. So she's joined this and she's got to the top. I think it was within about 10 days. So yes, this does work. So basically you're $29, you're in the middle, this one here, and you get your first 2 on automatic pilot on this rotator that does exist. Mine came within about 2 days. Then you get a couple of friends involved and you help them get there too. It's really easy. Once you've got, I've actually got 2 friends, so there are my 2, and all I have to do is get their links off them and get them there too, and that's how it works. It's really easy. Couldn't get any easier than this. Now this is the rank of where you can go. I've actually hit gold, so I'm now eligible for both of these. Once you hit crown, which is the $400 one, every group is 6, a group of 6. So 6 fours, 4 6s are 24 when I went to school. Anyway, so you get the idea. Diane's no good at maths. So if you want any more information, because I would not put my name behind something that didn't work, I'm trying it out myself. I'm level gold already, so I can keep you posted as and when I go up the scale, or if I get any more information to help you. But if you want, if you hit the link below, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button. And it's so good that you've taken the time to watch my video. Thank you very much. Leave a comment below, say thank you, Di, I love you, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.